Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude is moving and how the price of crude can move in the next week. If you look at this chart, it is a 6-month chart where it is showing that the crude price has continuously in uptrend and made a new high of around 68. Okay, now after that making a new high, we have seen on all the silver gold that after making a new high all these are coming down and then moving in a particular range. Okay, so this is the range that the crude is making since 17th April and in this particular range. So we are waiting for the range to break in order to buy and sell. Okay, once the crude breaks a range of 58.93, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 58.12. Okay, 93, then can the next resistance support we can see that 12. After that what we can see it, once 58.12 is break, then the next we can see that down 57.14. okay, if that is break downside, then what we can see is that this is a strong support. Okay, 57 point is a strong support is 57.11. okay, once 57.1 is break, then we can see there can be a sharp fall. The next support we can see that around 56. okay, 56.29. okay, this is a 6-month chart I've shown you. If it goes upside, we can see, if it crosses upside, then we can see that after crossing 59.7, then we can see that it can move and can reach a level of 60.75. okay, if it crosses that level, then we can see a level of 60.96, and once this, if it stays above this level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 61.66. okay, and if it stays above this level also, then the next we can see that it can touch a level of 62, and if it touches 62, then we can expect it can break that 62 and it can be on the level of 63.5, or it can touch a level of 63.8, and from there it can touch a level of 64.5. so what we can see is that it's a 6-month chart. I'll show you 1-month chart. okay, see, we have seen that the price of crude is moving in a particular range. okay, so once this range is very important in order to move upside or downside, this range has to break. okay, a pattern is created. okay, this pattern is created. Once this pattern is break upside, okay, we can expect that once 59.8 is break upside, then we can expect that it can touch a level 60.87. okay, or if it goes downside, what we can see that around 58.77 we can see, and if it goes down below that level, then we can see a level 58 is a strong support. okay, 57.3. once 57.3 is touched, then we can see that it can break downside, more downside. okay, and touch a level of 56, around 56.5. so what you have to understand in that, once this level is break, this pattern, if it breaks upside or downside, then we'll build trade accordingly. If you have any doubt regarding your crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Please watch the full video, then only you'll understand, because we can see that since 17th of March, okay, 18th of March, this pattern is created and it is, the price is moving in this particular range. So we are waiting in order that it moves upside or downside, then we'll trade accordingly. And you can check my previous video where I have said the upside and downside movement. Now we are looking for this pattern. In order to break upside, we can take a call buy side, and or we can take a call sell side. But what you have to understand is that, suppose you are in a profit of around $2. okay, once it comes down to $1.5, then you should exit the trade. I'm telling $2 into XYZ quantity. okay, once it comes down to $1.5, then you should exit the trade. Or suppose you are in a profit of $1, once it comes down to $0.7 or into your XYZ quantity, then you should exit the trade for the day. That is very important. Your risk management is very important. okay, that will make you a good trader. Okay, so now hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it.